Hello friends, in this video I am going to show how to uh, run terminal, Windows terminal, which is quite different from command prompt and Windows PowerShell. In Windows terminal you can have multiple tabs, so it is easier. uh, the problem is that some sometimes during development I need to run multiple uh, command prompt, so like for my project I need to docker compose, run backend, fronting, all these for all those purpose I have made a different batch file, like running this one, and it is already activated, but now it's already activated, but if you don't have, then you need to activate that one. Then now I'm running this one. Now I have multiple instances. So to active, uh, my setting was not, it was broken. So to enable, to run uh, Windows terminal, uh, you will need to set some path variables, some variables, which you can here typing going here you can find terminal. I'll just search terminal here. Terminal, you'll find this one, which allows you multiple uh, types, PowerShell, and you can also uh, here you can also open command prompt and other kind of terminal, which as your cloud self, git bash and other. But sometimes this may not work. Yeah, this terminal setting uh, being different setting, it may not work. So um, last time my setting was not, uh, yeah, it was broken, so I searched and I know that uh, what I found is, um, to be able to run that we need some system environment variables or something like that. We need to set those on. For that, yeah, we go to run ysdm.cpl for system properties. Go to advanced tab and environment variables. Here you need these two variables for your uh, user. For me it's none, and for none you may have different uh, username, user profile. uh, for that we need temp variable, and its value should be c user and your user name, and app data local and temp. And similarly tmp c users username, user profile, app data local temp. These two variables need to be here in system variables. We also need two variables, temp and temp and tmp, and both need to be c windows temp. If it is not here, if this variable is not, if these variables are not here, and then your terminal will not open. Last time my, yeah, this variable were not here, so I couldn't open the terminal. Now I already set, so I can run this one. Yeah, with this you may, yeah, do anything like mm, PSQL, yeah, this is Postgres, and MySQL. MySQL stopped, so it is not open. So yeah, you can open multiple uh, command prompt instances with this Windows terminal. And this Windows terminal is handy. If you like this video, if it is helpful to you, consider subscribing and giving consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.